Umitay kay mag story time eh. Sa to bebe?
Mag story time mo? Unya.
Tulog.
Tulog.
Ang sipon. Na ako'y... Isip baka itong kusog ganyan. Sige.
Nagkuhan ko.
Be.
Nag-video ko.
Katong kusog kayo, be.
Ako pakitaan si
Katong
Tita
kusog kayo,
Lisette.
sige. Yes.
Excuse me.
Very good.
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
Astronaut. Ito pa. Nay sulod ni imong
What
tami.
else do you see, bebe?
Nay sulod ni imong tami.
Story time is horse. It's horse.
Where's the
Okay.
horse? Where's the
That
horse?
one.
Very good.
Which?
Who gave you?
The
Who
horse?
gave you? Who gave you this?
Ah!
Who gave you this book?
Tita.
Tita?
Say Tita.
Ano?
No,
Lisette.
just follow nanay. Tita Lisette.
Tita Lisette.
Bebe, because you're
Tita
very good.
Lisette.
Because you're very good, I have something for you. I have a gift. I have a surprise.
Hey!
Say thank you sa Tita Lisette. Thank you, Tita
Thank you,
Lisette.
Lisette. Thank you. Video mo na, video.
Makakita mas Tita Liz, ani? Say
video
thank you,
mo na.
Tita Liz. Mutanaw pa man siya. No, video. Si Luka tatay.
Say thank you to Tita Lisette.
Say thank you, Tita Lisette.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And what is this?
Wow! Wow! It's pizza time! Okay, let's eat pizza first.
Pizza time. We will have a break on your reading time. We will go back there.
The story time.
We will go
Balik
back-
tayo sa story time.
We will go back to your
After
story
pizza time, story
We will
time.
go back to your story time after
Kaon.
after ka.
Wow!
Wow!